Boosted. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back in another video. Yo, let's talk about Boosted right now. So a couple days ago, Boosted just randomly dropped out a new product, and it was a surprise to a lot of people. It's pretty cool, and also they've had some pretty good sales going on. And a couple days ago, they just added the Stealth to this sale. So let's just talk about what's going on here. So first off, let's talk about some of the sales here. Now I'm gonna go to the Boosted website, and here we go. We got a 25% off sale. Let's check this out really fast. And this is pretty cool. They got the Stealth on sale. So the Stealth was normally $1,599 or $1,600, and now you can get the Stealth for $1,200. That's a really good deal. That's a really good deal for the Stealth. You got top speed of 24 miles an hour. You got the extended range battery. You got 1 year of warranty. This is a good deal because if you go on eBay right now, you'll probably find someone selling a used Stealth for like $1,000 or $1,100, and here you can get a new one for $1,200 with all the warranties and everything. And if you don't live in California, you have free shipping, and there's also no tax. So that's pretty legit. And also the Boosted Plus. Now the Boosted Plus have been on sale for, I want to say it's been on sale for like a week or so. $1,050 for a Boosted Plus is not a bad deal. I mean, you still get the extended range battery, you get the top speed of 22 miles an hour. And once again, you get the warranty. And for you guys that want a smaller board, they have this Boosted here. Now, I don't know what's going on with this one. Maybe they're sold out because I see this price is X'd out, the $749, and then I also see the 562s X'd out. So I don't exactly know what's going on there. But yeah, but this is not why I'm making this video, not for the sale. I definitely wanted to show you guys this sale because it's, Boosted's having a sale going on, and this is actually not a bad sale. This is a really good sale. But what I really want to show you guys were these new accessories that Boosted came out with. These new wheels here, and also the Boosted beams. Let's start off with the wheels because I'm a bigger fan of the wheels than the Boosted beams. I mean, I like the Boosted beam, but I'm more a fan of the wheels because I feel everyone can benefit from the wheels. And I know a lot of riders who don't ride at night, so maybe they won't benefit as much from the Boosted beams. But here we go. We got Boosteds. These are Boosted 105s. So if you guys are not familiar with the regular Boosted wheels, the wheels on the Stealth are 85s. The standard wheels on Boosted are 80s. These are 105s. So these are much bigger. These are 30% bigger than the standard Boosted wheels. And I want to say these are like, I haven't touched these, I haven't ridden these, but I want to say that these are like kind of squishy. Not really squishy, but like when you hit something, they're kind of squishy, which can come in handy in a lot of different scenarios, especially riding around on city streets. These also have a higher top speed, okay? You can go 2 miles an hour faster. Don't necessarily know if that's a good thing, but yeah, it's on there. What I don't hear anyone talking about is, will these wheels take away from the battery? Because guys, one reason why I haven't upgraded my wheels to 90s or 105s already is because whenever you upgrade your wheels, you lose acceleration, you also lose braking, and you also lose battery, just because the wheels are bigger and it just uses more energy to turn a larger wheel. And I don't know if Boosted has figured out a way to make the wheels out of this certain material where that doesn't happen as much, or I don't know if they're just not talking about it, but these wheels haven't shipped yet. So I don't really hear people like talking about it. It's a really good question. Looks like they're trying to sell me a board. Let's actually take the quiz here since I'm on the Boosted website. Commuting, yeah, I definitely use mine for commuting a lot. City type of environment, yeah, I'm in the city usually. Sports level, lots of experience. What's your board choice? Surfboard, skateboard, longboard, skiboard. I'd say longboard actually. Do you plan to travel by plane with your vehicle? Yes. unlock my results. So it wants me to give it wants to send me an email to say, oh yeah, you need the boosted stealth or something. Okay, so that's the boosted wheels, okay? These 105s, these are pretty cool wheels. Now let's go over to the boosted beams. Now I was really surprised to see the boosted beams because I was wondering, when are they ever gonna use that port underneath the trucks? Because I don't know if you guys have ever taken the trucks off a boosted, but there is like a USB port, and that USB port is for this. That's what that USB port is for. And they've finally come out with a product for that USB port. So here it is. It's called boosted beams. These lights are pretty dang cool. Okay, these lights are pretty freaking cool. Now, what I want to know, I don't know if this information is already out there on Reddit. Maybe someone can let me know in the comments below. I see that these are like smart brake light. So does that mean when you brake, these lights like do something different to let people behind you know that you're braking? Because if they did that, this would be a game changer. This would be a game changer. If they did that, I would probably just buy these. Like at first I was just gonna buy them, and then I thought to myself, well, I don't really ride at night that much, and I would just be buying it for, just only to use for a small amount of time. And then I thought, if it has like braking capabilities, like if you step on the brake, if you press the brake and then it lights up, like that would be really cool. Not that would really save you in so many scenarios. Let's check this out. Boosted Grim creates a powerful 600 limited output, which can be seen far 300 feet ahead. This power of limits compared to other skateboards. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Lights that have your back. When you apply the generative braking via your boosted smart remote, the smart brake light will automatically brighten to alert those behind you are slowing down. Safety first. That is freaking cool, yo. I know a lot of people out there, right when Boosted, released these, the first thing they said was $200 for lights. And that's the first thing I thought. I said, $200, that's a lot of money for lights, because you can get shred lights for like $40. But also the problem with shred lights is people lose shred lights because they fall off. People lose, you have to charge shred lights separately, so you have to take them off. With these new boosted lights, guys, you don't have to worry about charging the lights anymore. Like, you don't have to worry about charging the lights. Like, how cool is that? You don't have to worry about charging your lights because the lights will charge from the board. Because remember, it has the USB connection to the board, and there's USB connections underneath the truck here and underneath the truck here. So you can easily connect the lights. It is super cool. I think this is a really, really cool product. I don't know. Will I get it? I probably will get it. I'm not really in a hurry to get it because, like I said, I don't really ride at night that much. But braking on a boosted, I think is pretty clutch. Now, I'm very curious to know, will boosted include these on like a later board, like a board in the future that they'll come out with? Will they include, these lights? I think that would be really cool if maybe if they had some sort of a version that came with lights, that'd be pretty cool. Or they'll probably just sell it as an accessory. Them selling it as an accessory is good enough too, because I'm pretty sure people won't mind paying it. If you're a boosted fan, I'm pretty sure the boosted fans will definitely buy them. But yeah, I'm really excited for the boosted wheels. But I'm just curious, will the battery be the same? Like, I don't think it's gonna be the same. I think you're gonna lose battery. Look at those wheels. Those wheels look huge. I love this ad here because it shows how the wheel is like absorbing that bump there as it's going over. And it also has a higher top speed, which is, I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing. It has metal pulleys on the side. So what exactly does this come with? It doesn't look like it comes with bearings. It definitely comes with the pulleys, because that's what you're gonna need, are larger pulleys. So it looks like Boosted has got some pretty cool things up ahead. Looks like they got some pretty cool products. And with these sales going on, with the skateboards on sale, now a lot of people might say, well, yeah, they're on sale because their boards suck. I think there's another reason why Boosted boards are on sale. Daylight savings time just started like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. And when daylight savings time starts, there's like a big time change. With this big time change, you have less people out riding, so you have less people like willing to pay lots of money for a skateboard, because now they can't ride it as much as they could if the days were longer and they could, ride it longer in the day. Because now if you get off work at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, it's already dark. Okay, 2 months ago, you got off work at 5 o'clock. It wasn't dark till 8, so you had plenty of time to like go out and ride and do stuff like that. So now it's like winter time, and these boards are a little bit harder to sell in the winter. I mean, of course, Christmas is a really, really good time for boards. Like, people buy boards like crazy. But excluding Christmas, like, a lot of people just don't buy electric skateboards and electric stuff as much, just because of the weather. Now in the city, there's a bit of an exception. I know people in New York, people in San Francisco, they just buy skateboards all year round. But that's because here in the city, we use them differently than a lot of people like that live outside of the city. Like, I just left Memphis, which is my hometown. And I totally get it why people don't ride electric skateboards. It's just too freaking spread out. Like, it's just way too freaking spread out. It's not very city. I mean, there's parts that's city, but majority of it's not city. The majority of it's very suburban, and you need a car, and you're gonna be riding for a minute, you know what I mean? But Boosted, on the other hand, yeah, they are, they're sort of hitting this niche market, and there's a lot of competition in the space right now. Like, whenever I go to the Boosted meetups, well, not the Boosted meetups, but whenever I go to the electric skate meetups here in San Francisco, there's usually no Boosted boards anymore. There's usually none. Like, there's like maybe 2 or 3. And I usually don't even go anymore, just because there's no Boosteds anymore. Like, no one rides Boosteds. But I definitely see a lot of Boosteds in the city. Like, when I just see a random skateboard, like someone just zooming around the city, usually it's a Boosted. Like, I guess they still have majority of the market. I mean, if you're the type that likes to ride a lot and you like to go out and ride on the weekends, you're probably not gonna have a Boosted. You're probably gonna have a DIY, or you're probably gonna have some other, skateboard with much better range and, bigger batteries and faster top speeds and, just a more bigger, beefier board. But, if you're a Boosted fan like me, you're just cool with whatever Boosted makes, I guess, or something like that. But I'm guessing Boosted will probably come out with a new skateboard next spring, because they got this really good sale going on. Who knows how long these stuffs are going to be on sale, but this is a really good deal for the Boosted stuffs. I recommend jumping on this deal, if you guys are looking to buy a Boosted. And also check out eBay too. You can get some deals on eBay, but why go to eBay when you can just go to Boosted right now and get some amazing deals on the website? Boosted did not pay me to make this video, by the way. I just really like Boosted. I like their skateboards. I like their company. I like the things that they make. Like, I like all their things. So I'm just gonna talk about Boosted. But anyway, I want to make a video talking about their new products, talking about this sale going on, and you guys have an awesome day. Have an amazing day. Peace out.